Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a KILLSTAR haul, and I know some of you hate KILLSTAR and I know some of you love it, so either way I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is in here. So I passed my driving test and couldn't help but get some air fresheners. So these are, I don't actually know what it smells like, but it smells good. I bought 2 of these and a poison bottle one for my husband. I think they cost me about £2.50 because I got them in the sale, but I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, look how cute that is. It's a cute little bat. The next thing that I got was "You Can Sleep When You're Dead" pillow. Oh my god, it is so soft and comfy. Like, yeah, it's just really soft and it feels like a aeroplane pillow like my other one did. And it's got, like, I don't know if you can see, but it's got a bit of a opal iridescent thing going on in the letters. Yeah, but yeah, it's really cute. I think I spent like £18 on it because this was in the sale as well. But yeah, I just wanted to get some home bits. I did get another home thing, which is not great, I'm not gonna lie. So I really wanted a tapestry for my bedroom, and this was like £25.99 or something like that, and the fabric sucks. It, like, when you think of a tapestry you think thick cotton, and this is just polyester. Beautiful design, but the fabric sucks. So it is, and I don't know if you can see, but it's just really thin, and I don't think that's worth £25. Yeah, so I'm a little bit disappointed about that. Maybe if it was £10 then I wouldn't be so bothered. Either way, it will look cool, but I don't really recommend buying them when they're that expensive. So let's get on to clothing and accessories. So I bought the Duchess bag, yeah, and oh my god, I love this bag so much. It's so comfortable, like on your shoulder, and it's just comfortable like on your waist. It's got a hard bottom, so you can sit it nicely on a table. It comes with 2 little crescent moon features on the drawstrings. Just pull that and then it'll open up bigger. But just hit myself in the nose. This is the Duchess bag, and an adjustable strap. And look how pretty the pattern is. So because obviously I ordered that, I also decided to buy the dress that goes with it. So I think this was like 30 something, I'm not really sure, but I absolutely love this dress. Let me try and move that chair. Oh. Right. So you got bottom part. It's like just on my knees. So it's really pretty, really short sleeved. And then you've got like a frilly collar. It's really pretty. And this is a size XXL, which is perfect. I was really worried about sizing and things, but I'm not bothered at all anymore. I also bought the Sacred 666 dress. this is absolutely beautiful, the collar and the attachment, but the actual dress itself is really basic. So it's just like a black dress that you could probably get in Primark. But other than that, it's comfy, it's really thick and heavy, but it's a nice dress. If you hear drilling, I'm really sorry. My neighbour is like moving in and non-stop drilling. Right, that's that one. And the other dress that I bought was the Lucinda dress. I love this dress so much. So it's got like a collar that you can buckle, and there's like 3 sizes. Go away. And it's pleated, which I absolutely love. And you may have seen this if you watch my other videos of me getting my double nostril piercings. And it's also got a little KILLSTAR cross. And back, it's just plain. And it's just got like tiddy little sleeves, just little ones. But yeah, this fabric is lovely. So this dress is like skater dress, really thin fabric, but this one is like really thick and cotton feeling, if that makes any sense. But yeah, it's just such a pretty dress, and you've got like the little frills, the collar. And I think that one cost me $35 in the sale. And the last thing that I got was the coffin creepers. So these are so comfortable. I'm really, really happy with this purchase. Because the last pair of shoes that I bought, unfortunately, I'm having a bit of a discussion with KILLSTAR at the moment, because I got the, I can't remember what they're called, the other creepers with the suede and the really pretty witchy pattern on them. All of the sole is coming off, and I've spoken to some of you guys and you have said that it's happened to you too. Well, KILLSTAR have given me an ultimatum of send them back and they'll give me a new pair, or they'll give me a partial refund for some credit on the website. And my shoes are currently at Timpson's trying to get fixed. So hopefully they will give me a partial refund and I can just spend it on some more bits when I'm ready to get some other stuff. But yeah, so I'm a size 8. I have big feet, and they fit perfect. They are absolutely perfect. I just hope that this doesn't come away. But so far, so good. Yeah, so they've got the little zip. Got the little, reminds me of like the DM tag hanging out. But yeah, they're really cool. We did also buy some other bits, but my husband, I'm trying to convince to showcase them to you all, because why not see some guy stuff? There's not many people that show the guy stuff off. But yeah, so that is everything that I got from KILLSTAR this time round. I will update you on my other creepers, which is really, really gutting because I absolutely love those. But yeah, I can't really do much. All I can do is wait and hope that Timpson's key cutting place can fix them. So thank you for watching, guys. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep updated with me, because that is my go-to if I want to update you all with delayed videos or anything else. So don't forget to stay spooky, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.